Here's a video on how to use the What If tab in DegreeWorks. Once you're logged into Jaguar, make your way over to the Classes and Registration tab. In DegreeWorks, you'll find the What If tab to the left. Start making selections from the drop-down menus provided. Here you will find the different types of degree plans that we offer, such as a Bachelor of Science or a Bachelor of Arts. Make sure you select your correct academic year. Next, go ahead and check out some of the different majors that we offer. And make sure once you select it, it shows up on the right-hand side. Our campus offers a lot of different minors, so feel free to talk to an advisor to see if your major requires you to have one. Finally, some of our majors do require our students to have a concentration, such as education or even kinesiology. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click on the Process What If so that your degree plan can update. Again, this is not permanent, but a cool way for you to see other degree plans and see where your classes will fit in. Feel free to scroll around and check out the department requirements and see if there are any new classes that you might have to take, as well as the major requirements, and see what the exact classes the major is going to need for you to complete. Feel free to contact one of our academic advisors for more questions or if you're ready to declare a new major, minor, or concentration.